Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-Flex CAD training course, and the topic for today will be converting old documents from T-Flex. This topic, I would say, it is important, but not as important as other topics in this course, because I'm also considering that most of you have new versions and are starting from now working with the system. But the idea of this topic it is to show you that, or to inform you first, that newer versions of T-Flex use different data format than the older ones. What happens is that in this case, when you open an old file on a newer version, it is recommended a full model or drawing regeneration to save the information on this new format. It's not very complex to do, but we may have if we are working with single drawings. But when we talk about assemblies, then we may have an issue. Okay, and there are problems, or it may have problems because the assemblies have a lot of links to fragments and sub-assemblies. It may be confusing. On a very easy way to work with this is simply go to File, Document Converter, and then you just have to indicate to add a file or add a folder. Okay. I would say that the easiest way to work with this, even if you have an assembly, is to do it file by file, and then you are sure that everything is processed, everything it is okay. Then if you want to go in the automatic mode, to give a folder or assembly, and if you expect that the software finds everything, you may be lucky, maybe not, but let us try. So if we had a file, in my particular case, my files are from this version, so I should have no problem. So I just select a file or more, and then simply I can see a preview. Okay, back. But if I say convert, okay, in this particular case it was not. So converse finished, and everything it was correct. So this is the process, very easy. We have also a couple of options to configure when we are talking about this conversion. But basically you may try to do it in standard mode. Okay, we can to define a response from the system on errors, and say when there is an error, do this. We may create a copy with this extension. We have a protocol to save in case not. We have a save protocol file to save things. We can say, oh, I want this number of threads applied to this conversion, because if you have big files it may take a long time, and we have a couple of options around here that you may choose to use or not. So this is not, for now, I would not give too much value to this function. Okay, you can try also in some particular cases. If you have some files, some models, or some 2Ds, you can choose to pass them through step format or through another format to clean the file and then import it. You know that you will lose information from parameterization and so on that you may have inside. It depends on the situation. For now, just a brief information that you have these available. You can use it to recover these older files, but move along according to what you have in particular, and also if you have any issues, contact us and we'll try to guide you in case of some additional help that you may need.